If you're traveling to Nasu with your family, this is the place to stay. Grand Mercure Nasu Highlands Resort and Spa is highly recommended. On the way, we stopped by Minamagaoka Farm for a quick visit. On the way back, we went to Nasu Highland Park, which is perfect if adults want to enjoy roller coasters. In the lounge, you can enjoy drinks and snacks. My son and son-in-law enjoyed a cold beer right after we arrived, a nice way to start the trip. This trip was a big family trip, 6 adults and 4 kids. My daughter's family, my son's family, and my darling and me. With more adults than kids, we could take turns watching the little ones. It made the trip so relaxing. We stayed in a standard junior suite and a standard forest twin room. I didn't find many videos showing the junior suite, so perhaps this will help other families. The suite is so spacious, perfect when grandparents are joining. The beds have no big steps, so it's safe for kids. As soon as we arrived, the kids started their spring test on the beds. There's also a Japanese-style room where you can lay out futons yourself. And the kids loved the tunnel in the room. They crawled through it and jumped onto the grandparents' futon for a fun wake-up call.
それかもうどっか置いといてもいいですけど。とりあえずここに置いときますけど、僕一枚持ってきます。とりあえず。
すごいな。もう
来た。お、来た。お、来た。おい、あら。あら、な。
どうしよう。足かけてほら。猿。
あ、そこ足かけるところなんだ。来た。おい、来た。
鍵持っていけばいいですね。
おい。
じゃあ、みーちゃんとお母さん
無責任だ。
レクチャーしてあげて。
The forest twin room is cute and fairy tale-like. Our 2-year-old granddaughter started playing house as soon as she woke up. The hotel is very family-friendly. They have baby beds, high chairs, child-sized toilet seats, and even special detergent and sponges for baby bottles.
おお、すげえなお前。
見て
おーい。
どれ？ここ。
忍者すごい。忍者すごいね。
あー、ババ下手。
Meals are served on the 13th floor with beautiful mountain views. It's a buffet with so many choices, everyone was excited. We couldn't resist trying everything, so much for our diets. Our 6-year-old loved the sweet fish ale. Dad liked the hamburger, Mom loved kimchi rice. It seems the little ones know best, they enjoyed every dish. There's an indoor play area for toddlers, a large outdoor slide, and a pool. Since it was summer vacation, the place was full of happy families. I'm now a grandmother of 4, each of my 2 children has 2 kids. Traveling all together reminds me how precious it is to spend time as a family. Years ago, I came to this area with my husband and our children. Coming back now with our grandchildren, it's pure happiness. And here's something I realized. With this family, anywhere we go would be fun. But coming back to a place I once visited with my own kids, now with my grandchildren. That joy is beyond words. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you plan your own trip. May your next trip be full of happy moments.